Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing of the Samsung 32 gigabyte micro SD card. So this is just a standard micro SD card with an SD adapter. So why am I showing this to you? This is because this has become very simple to open. I have bought recently a lot of these cards. Most came from other manufacturers like SanDisk, and it was mostly a huge pain to get them out of the box. You have to cut with a knife or scissor really close along this cord, and as you know, they are really thin, and when you cut into them, they are gone. You can throw them into garbage because they are gone completely. So this I have already opened. I'm just pretending that I'm opening it so you can see how it works. So you can just take this and like bend it in the middle, and then there's this plastic, and this is already open. This is really a big surprise. You can just take it out and it's open. There's nothing need. You don't. Oops. That's funny. Okay, I saved it. There is really nothing to cut. You don't have to use a knife. You don't have to bend it like crazy and almost break it. This is a huge advantage compared to older packages. I really like that. If you were considering a new micro SD card, this is the one to go, and it's not more expensive than other premium brands. Actually, it was the cheapest one with really good speed, like high speed. So yeah, I have already bought other Samsung storage cards, and I was always happy with them. They are really reliable. I mean, Samsung are one of the best brands which you can buy, so absolutely no problem. So yeah, I can really give 100% recommendation for that. Especially the packaging is really awesome. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.